Andrea from Roman Massage and Fitness, and today we are working on day 3 of our Turn Up the Volume challenge. This is Roman Roberts, the creator, and he's going to show us how to do each move.
Okay.
Our first move for the day is side planking.
Okay, side planking, deceptively difficult. I'll show you an alternative move if you cannot do this. Side plank, you're on your arm. I'm not digging my elbow in, holding up. Now, pretend there's a string on my hip and somebody is pulling my hip up and down. Then that means I'm working under here. I'm actually not working up here, it's under here. And then you switch sides and do the other side. And again, hip up. You can, this is where I'll turn this way actually. So if you look at my feet here, you can stack them like that, or you can put them out like this. Some people aren't strong enough to stack them. If you can't do a side plank at all, then just do a regular plank, or even the seated crunches. Some kind of standing crunch, seated crunch, still working core, okay? And pretty reasonable. All right, next one.
All right, our second exercise is bridging.
Okay, bridging, we did that yesterday. I have you do it a lot because there's not a lot that can work hamstrings. So, basic bridging, get your feet somewhere comfortable, not too far out, not too close, right in here, and you lift the rear up, put your hands down here or under your rear, and you go up and down or just hold. The more advanced version of bridging is one-legged. I like to do 10 reps at a time, and then I switch, and then I do about 3 or 4 reps and switch to go down with the timer. So there you go, good old-fashioned bridging.
All right, and our next exercise is scissoring of the legs.
Scissors. This is, I'll turn this way since this is more about the legs. Okay, so if this is bicycling, like you're on a bicycle, scissors would be straight. People do this. I'm fine with just a nice, slow movement like this, keeping the leg off the ground as straight as you can, scissoring in this way. I don't want to go out right now. Don't worry about it. If you can do that version, let's stay there. Okay.
And our last move for the day is push-ups.
Okay. Roman's getting his workout. This is good for everybody. So push-ups. This is a challenge for a lot of people. So don't feel like bad about yourself if you struggle with these in the beginning. Get your hands about shoulder width apart. You're on your knees and bring your rear end down. This would be a beginner push-up. You're just lowering yourself up, coming back up, lowering yourself down again, helping yourself up. I'm a little bit more advanced. You're down and you're up. You're really advanced. You're down and you're up. You get more advanced. You're down and you're up. So you can take these to a pretty high level in 45 seconds, and that's pretty strenuous. So guys, please don't underestimate it. Do your easy version one day. That felt easy. The next day, repeat, or do it again later, or maybe even do a harder version. So there you go. Good luck.
All right, that's it for day 3. Get your copy off Amazon today or stop in at the office for your autographed copy. Thanks.